purple things. They look like doctors.
Oh, I just died. Okay. I just died.
You died! You died!
Oh, frick, I just threw my controller.
Skill issue, bro.
Where did my stuff go? I got an orb. Okay, there's my
Who
weapon.
just unsubbed?
I guess somebody already grabbed my orb. Subscribe to Cup Wins.
You heard it there, folks.
How
Do
did
it
I die?
now.
Oh,
Skill issue, bro.
Oh, frick, oh, frick. Well, I mean, like, I'm actually trying to, like, do stuff because I've never played Ghost Reactor. I mean, I played, like, once, but that was
Brother, what? This thing's been around for so long and you haven't played it once until now?
Oh, there you go.
We serious right now, bro?
Somebody stole my weapon, bro.
Oh no! That's so sad, Slime. That's so sad.
Oh, frick.
I'm a little Chad.
So I
W.
can't do what? Bro, this sword has no power. That's so fun.
Sword? That's a baton!
Could somebody buy me a weapon?
It's a literal stun baton, not a sword. It literally says it on the wheel right there.
Alright. Hey, why'd you kiss me?
What? What?
Nah, I'm joking. Yeah, I can hear you.
You can hear me?
Hey, why'd you kiss me?
Brother, what? The second time already,
okay, guys,
bro.
I'm gonna be honest. You guys wanna do some shit?
Whoa!
Chill on the N-word, bro. It's not that. Oh my god.